If you constantly worry about what people think of you, if you keep replying conversation in your head, if you change yourself just because you want to be accepted, you are not alone. You don't care so much because you are insecure. You care because you were taught that being yourself was not safe for you. So, hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Aldi and this space is your reminder to breathe, slow down and reconnect with who you really are. Alright bestie, so today we're gonna talk about something that quietly controls so many lives. The fear of what other people think. This fear shapes your choices, it shapes your personality, it shapes your confidence, and sometimes it shapes your entire life, your whole entire life. Let's talk about why this happens and how to finally break free. Alright bestie, so this is the section number 1, why you care so much. Alright, so when you were a kid, you were not born afraid of judgment, but you learn it. Maybe you grow up being criticized, maybe you were told to behave, fit in, or don't embrace the family. Maybe you were bullied, maybe you were rejected for being yourself, maybe you were praised only when you please other people when you were a kid. So your mind create a rule, something like this. If people like me, I'm safe. If people approve me, I'm worthy. If I don't upset anyone, I won't be abandoned. This fear is not weakness, guys. It is such a survival mode, survival mind. Okay? Okay, bestie, so this is the section number 2, the cause of caring too much of what other people think. When you care too much about what other people think about you, you shrink yourself, you hide your real personality, you overthink every move, you apologize for just because you're anxious, you avoid risks, you feel anxious around people, you lose your identity, you live a life that is not yours. Bestie, you become a version of yourself that feels so safe, but not real. Am I correct? And this is the section number 3, the truth. People are not thinking about you. This might sound harsh, but it's freeing you. Okay? People are not thinking about you as much as you think. Actually, guys, please realize this. They're thinking about themselves, their insecurities, their problem, their own image, their own family, their own relationship, blah, 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 blah. Okay, you are not that center of their world. You are not that really important for them. And that's a relief for you, right? Once again, you are not important. And this is the section number 4, step number 1. Notice when you are performing. You guys can be just ask yourself, am I doing this because I want to? Or because I want to be like? Every time you catch yourself performing, pause. Come back to yourself. Choose authenticity over approval from other people. Love yourself first. Choose yourself first, okay? Just remember what I told you in the section number 4. So, this is the section number 5, step number 2. Build a self-image that comes from you. Got it? Most people, they don't know who they are without other people's opinion. So basically, they need a validation from other people, correct? Including you. So ask yourself like this. What do I like? What do I believe? What kind of persons do I want to be? What makes me proud, of myself. Ask yourself, remember, okay? Your identity should come from within, not from the outside, not from other people. And this is the section number 5, step number 3. Accept that judgment is unavoidable. Okay, no matter what you do, someone will misunderstand you. Be kind. They will say you are weak. Be confident. They will say you are arrogant. Be quiet. They will say you are so boring. Be expressive. They will say you are too much. Stop trying to win a game you cannot win, okay? Keep loving yourself. Stop thinking about what other people think about you. This is the section number 7, step number 4. Let people be wrong about you. Just let them assume anything about you, okay? You don't have to correct every assumptions. You don't need to defend every choices. You don't need to explain your life. Let people misunderstand you. Let them judge you. Let them create their own stories about you, okay? Just let them. You don't have to explain. You don't have to clarify something, blah 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 blah. Your life will prove the truth, okay? Not your explanations. Your life gonna make it the truth. Okay, bestie. So this is the section number 8, step number 5. Choose yourself, just like what I told you on my previous video. Just come back to yourself. Every time you choose yourself over approval, you become stronger. Every time you speak your truth, you become freer. Every time you stop explaining about yourself, you come home to who you really are, and you're gonna like, I'm free, oh my goodness. Guys, remember, okay? Remember the section number 8. And this is the section number 9, gentle affirmation from me to you. And guys, please take a note, and I want you guys to repeat after me. Keep it in your mind, okay? I don't need everyone to like me. I don't need to explain myself. I'm allowed to be who I am. I choose authenticity over approval. I choose myself. Okay? Repeat and keep it in your mind. Guys, you don't need permissions to be yourself. You don't need validations to exist. You don't need approval to be worthy. Okay? You are enough even when people don't understand you. Okay? Guys, you have to keep it in your mind that not everyone have to understand us. Okay? Just let them assume about us. Just let them think whatever they want to think about us. We don't have to make it clear. We don't have to assume. Okay, guys? Alright, everyone, if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to someone who need it. Okay? I just want to say thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for clicking this video. And I hope this video is useful for all of you. And once again, don't forget to share this video to those who need it, and don't forget to share this video to yourself as well. Alright guys, see you on my next video, and bye bye.